Marriott Hotel. This is Asar Ra, Setep Ra, my aunt. Peace and blessings. As you all can see, there's a lot of fires, especially in California. California is a real hot zone because it is considered to be the equivalent of Sodom. And so there must be a Gomorrah somewhere else. You know, my thing is, I've been warning everybody, y'all want to be stuck on stupid, I don't care, go right ahead. All the wickedness on this earth is going to be fire, destroyed. And that's the reason why I'm telling everybody, see, you sitting there thinking that the green light is for me to have wealth. I already have wealth. I have so much wealth, I can ask the sun to do things for me, and it does it. Now, if you want to sit around and act like you haven't saw the sun turning green and doing all this stuff that it's been doing to corroborate my authenticity, that everything I'm saying is true. When I come in and tell you I represent the sun, and then tell you I'm gonna make all the lights turn green, and you see the sunlight actually turn green, you're not gonna be able to deny that there was substantiation of proof to who I proclaim myself to be. All these fires right here are going to be burning y'all asses up all over the damn planet. Okay? Understand that. This is not a joke. I'm telling you what's going on right now. It's going to burn up all the houses on this planet. All the materialism is going to be destroyed through fire, water, wind, snow, people, earthquakes, volcanoes, because of how wicked this world is, how polluted and how disgusting and how diseased it is. With these freaking ruling corporations on this planet, they have reduced everybody to nothing but filthy ass people. Even the people that doesn't live a life that projects that decadence is victimized by being encapsulated in the arena, saturated with that. So unfortunately, those good people have to deal with garbage here, and this is what we're aware of. So we're going to clean this planet up, which means that the people who are wise enough to live diligently on divine principles has nothing to worry about, and they know that because they're not a part of anything that they have done that they had to hide and do or keep silent about doing, push a pen and benefit from the deprivation that it caused to other people, all this type of stuff, the homosexuality, the drinking, the drugs, all of the fornicating stuff, all of the gambling, all of the false worshiping of dead-ass white men that you sit back and watch rule everyone on the world and reduce everybody to be nothing but their servants or their drug dealers or their prisoners in their jails, okay? Everybody better listen to this shit real good. The sun has told you to let everyone know that Green Light Essence, Post Office Box 6416, Vancouver, Washington 98686. The phone number is 360-721-4117. You're going to do yourself a favor by getting some green light and having it in your pocket. Just understand that. Because there's going to be dogs attacking people, people attacking people. There's going to be planes falling out of the sky. There's going to be people getting bit by mosquitoes and dying. Okay, there's going to be a removal especially targeted at European males to get you guys off this planet because you all have benefited and became privileged through your wicked, deceitful lies and religious propaganda. You have stolen the world and are the people most responsible for the decadence through your perpetuation of yourselves as a crucified savior, which is a bunch of bullshit crap. You guys are privileged only because you have murdered everyone's parents and took them as children and programmed them, brainwashed them, call yourself raising them like people raise animals, trying to play with your mind to prove your superior albinoism over the melanated people because of your envy and your jealousy and your awareness of our God greatness. You deprived us and stumped us to the ground. The problem is this universe is full of us. Okay, you guys are intruders and you are in a lot of trouble. So again, the European males are the ones more than anybody who should be interested in buying this green light. The number again is Green Light Essence, Post Office Box 6416, Vancouver, Washington 98686. 360-721-4117. Now this is something everybody could understand and pay attention to. Whole neighborhoods that buy this stuff could be overlooked by this bad weather formation and these bad weather elements, because it's my sister that's out there whooping ass. She like the nerve of them. They think you gonna be on the planet broke. Well, we'll see. We'll break all their asses. We'll have everybody living off the goddamn garbage can, because the whole earth is gonna be a garbage can. But the thing is, I'm not gonna be here when all that goes out. I'm gonna already be gone. So I don't have to worry about going through all that shit. I'm just here to be, like I said, the spokesperson. So, if you was wise, just like all y'all would get together and say, as soon as you see a black nigga, call the police. Well, you all better get together and call a SAR and order your damn green light by the cases. Because I have huge ass tornadoes and huge fires and huge volumes of water. And I'm gonna make that earth shake. And let's not forget about the cosmic pussies that I have lined up all over everything, right up under your house too. That can spit lava out at your ass too. So go ahead. Think I'm just a dumbass nigga and that I really can't deliver what I'm saying. You'll figure it out. Just don't buy the green light and you will see bridges like this one. Okay? That one right there, see it? On the left. That bitch will fall right into the Pacific Ocean. Not a problem. Then y'all all be sitting up looking stupid as hell, wishing you all would have brought some green light. Because now remember, the prophecy is that the I-5 system is going to be shut down. Well, you already see the fire that moved over there in California. Alright, to that I-5 system. And you see it coming to Oregon and all the way up to Washington. Just like I told you. But see, my sister's really smart. She said, I'm going to start it down serious in California. You tell them stupid motherfuckers that they're going to buy that green light, or I'm going to burn up Oregon and Washington ass too, all the way up to Canada, just like you already told they dumbasses. Tell them again. You tell them, when they see you roll up on their ass with that green light, that you making a living for yourself, because you have to be here and fix the stupid shit that their racism and their stupid ass religion, dogma, propagation ass bullshit has caused to this earth. And I will not sit around and watch them continue to live good and fucking disregard to everything while my brother suffers and has to pour someone fucking piss bottle out and beg them for somewhere to live. I will burn the whole damn planet up, including their intruding asses, starting with California. I'll burn that motherfucker all the way up to Washington, D.C. and get all that crack asses off this planet, and them niggas loving our white man, they ass is gonna burn up too, right along with his and those freaking essays that I've sat and watched. Enjoy the suffering and the sorrow, tears, and bloodshed that they teamed up with the freaking white man and demonstrated on my people. And they are no longer considered to be a part of us if they gonna hold on to that Catholicism and all that bullshit. Know that. That is what she's saying. You ain't seen no Mary or no Jesus coming through shit. But you see me walking around here speaking things into manifestations, planes falling out of the sky, and the damn sun herself turned green to let you understand the majesty of all my commands that I spit out. And you think you're gonna keep me broke? The green light costs $10 a bottle. Alright, that's cheap compared to the fact that I'm gonna send them damn boom dooms up in your house, and they gonna march up in that bitch just like this drum beat you listening to right now. And when they get through this stirring shit and fucking up your carburetor and making your refrigerator engine go out and making the damn fireplace spit embers out into your living room, when they get through making the fan fall right near your baby crib, and when they make your wife fall down the stairs a few times, when you wake up in the morning and you see somebody being fucking with the microwave, or your doorbell just keep constantly ringing and you don't know what the hell is going on, your ass need to get some green light. And you rich ass people is the ones who should just write a check and don't expect nothing back. You just writing a check because you owe for all the shit you did. And you ain't got to put no names. I don't give a rat ass about nobody's name. If you want to check up on your thing, you put a number on your check and call about the number on the money order. I don't take jack. And you will buy the green light. I have no doubt in my mind. This shit ain't no joke. What I gotta tell you, you gonna buy it. And you don't have to give me no name or none of that other shit. You just put a number on the money order, and you tell me about it, what's going on. I'm gonna send that shit right to you as soon as I get the money order. That's the only way business can be done. I ain't gonna get involved with no piece of cards and none of that shit because I don't want to. I don't like perpetuating to that type of establishment because it is nothing but capitalism, which is criminalism. I have been sent there to destroy that. And everybody who's in opposition to me, anyone who does not buy the green light, that you see this message, and you know what I'm doing, and you deliberately have a hard heart, and don't listen to the command of the sunlight, the sun is going to kill you. It is going to command the air not to give you sustainment. It is going to make animals attack you. You will get hit by a car. You will drown. You will burn. A tree's going to fall on you. Everything that you have done to nature, nature is going to do right back to you. Know that. So the number again is Green Light Essence, P.O. Box 6416, Vancouver, Washington, 98686. Phone number 360-721-4117. Only money orders. Right now I'm only going to sell one side. I was going to sell the two sizes, but I'm not. I'll get around to that later. But as of right now, the only size I have is a smaller bottle for $10 a bottle. And then I have to mail it to you. So don't even act like somebody trying to rip you off. I'm being real generous considering everything that you're getting out of the deal. See, the way this works is that when the green light rolled up on you, which is my sister Black Bastet, and she see that you was conscious enough after listening to me to buy the green light, that's when all decisions about what your bargaining strategy and what type of bargaining equity you have available. At least you will have that. Now, I ain't trying to say to you that all your crimes are going to be forgiven. But what I'm trying to say to you is that people that haven't even committed a crime doesn't mean your house is not going to burn up. Why would you want it left there anyway after everybody else in the neighborhood house burned up? Your house would just be valueless anyway. Of course, white people have stolen all the revenue and resources, so they'll just come and build again, and I'm just going to burn again. Because this is not going to continue. You can forget about that. You're not going to walk into this planet, kill everybody on it, make them your slaves, and expect that to last forever. You had a good run, 400 years, which is only one day. But see, we on your ass, and you got forever to pay for the crimes you committed already. So let me see that green light address again. Is Green Light Essence, P.O. Box 6416, Vancouver, Washington, 98686. 360-721-4117. My name is Paul, P-A-U-L, Shields, S-H-I-E-L-D-S. is the name that I am authorized and allowed, privileged to correspond in the economic system of the capitalism of the United States of America. So, Asarasa Teparah, Ma'at is by name given to me by the sun, but they have stolen and manipulated everything where they think they even have more power than the sun, but they don't, because they're out every day flying them stupid ass planes around trying to block the sun from coming to the earth. And this is a waste of money that everybody on earth is starving and in poverty behind their foolish attempt to combat Ra. Okay, so now, I've been sent here to let you all know what's going on. The sun is getting ready to kill them Zionists. And they're going to kill everybody who keeps supporting them through your worship of Jesus. Because they made that. It is not real. It is a false, fake religion that they made to give them the advantage point on the world that they are all benefiting from right now. Reducing people to states of nothingness where they can handcuff them, put them in jail, make them be happy to live under circumstances of homosexuality and constant violence and fear and trauma existing as they put cameras up and film it. And they have holocausts and murdered people all over the planet. And you guys who support all those religious dogmas are the ones who have given them all the wealth to build all those concentration camps and do all the continuance or the perpetuation of evil that they are busted right in the middle of doing. So I contend and let everyone out there understand this. I am contesting the statement of anyone saying that what I'm doing is evil. No, what I am doing is letting you all know